Good morning guys! Today is Sunday, the 20th of October 2024 at nandito kami sa playground malapit sa railway. So maya maya meron pong darating na train at papakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano kalaki ang train dito sa lugar namin. In the meantime, yung mga anak ko ay nandito sa playground. That one is called SkySurfer.
What? Are you ready?
SkySurfer.
Okay, go away, Mom. Go away.
Okay. Alright, not too rough.
I want.
Okay.
You're going to go back.
I heard a train, girls. Feel dizzy, Bob?
No, not yet. Train's almost here.
The train's almost here.
Ah!
Gentle, Steph. So, ang playground na ito ay malapit po sa dagat. Kaya, napaka ganda talaga dito, guys. At ang weather ngayon ay perfect for outdoor activities. Tamang-tama lang talaga, hindi masyado. Although the breeze is a bit chilly, pero kaya naman. Scarlett nga naka-dress lang. Wala siyang jacket. Ate! Ate! Thank you. You wanna get off? She wants to get off, ate. Be gentle, Steph. Be gentle with your sister, okay?
I am being gentle.
Okay, spin me a little. Not so rough.
Okay. Okay, there we go. You love that. Okay, there we go. You're in. Okay. Okay, hello guys, and this is Mom Sunny Ali, and she thinks it's cool. It's gonna be dizzy. She's gonna be dizzy just like me. Ugh. Mom, are you feeling dizzy? Are you feeling dizzy, Mom? Mom, do you feel dizzy? Oh. Yeah, that's all right. Look at her. Ah!
I should not be rough.
I'm not rough. Mom, I can't get to sit.
Can you stop it, Steph? Stop! Help me get up first.
I'll help you. Hiya, hiya. These box chips on your back. Spin me now. Yeah, spin her, please. Okay, Addie, I will spin you.
Scarlett will spin you.
Wow.
Where's the train? I heard the train, but I don't know which way it is coming.
Mom, just push it. I'll take care of the camera. Okay? Push it. I'll take care. You're gonna push it. My back hurts. I'm not dizzy.
How's that?
Good.
Good. That's my little girl, Scarlett.
Wow.
You're cold?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Okay.
Mommy, are you cold? Mommy, are you cold?
A little bit, but I'm good, thanks.
Mom, let's go here. Together.
On the swing? I don't want to. I feel dizzy still.
I don't.
Still feel dizzy.
When Daddy had his like house, his old house, we used to go to the beach, and also I made like a water castle,
Okay.
but with the water inside.
Oh, the train! Come on, let's see the train.
The water is from the beach.
Yeah.
I did not feel it. The beach did because it made a cold drink here.
Good. Hold me.
Okay.
The train is coming. Hello. It's the Cockle train. And that's it. The people on the train. I waved to them.
I mean the man.
I was just being friendly. Yeah. Do you want to go on the train one day?
Yes.
Yeah.
But how much does it pay to go on the
I
train?
think it's $30. I'm not sure. We'll have to.
I can pay
Google
that
it.
once I'm rich.
Once you're rich?
Yeah. I can go on the train.
Okay guys, that's it guys. You've seen the train. Thank you for watching. Bye.